What's up friends? In this video, I am going to share my experience with the best angle grinder of 2023. I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the angle grinder new update 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide for you. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to check the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The DEWALT 20V Max * Angle Grinder Tool, DCG413B, is a cordless, battery-powered angle grinder that comes without a battery or charger. It is designed to provide powerful performance for a range of applications, including cutting and grinding metal, concrete, and other materials. Some key features of this angle grinder tool include 20V Max * lithium-ion battery. This angle grinder tool is powered by a 20V Max * lithium-ion battery, which provides long-lasting performance and is compatible with other DEWALT 20V Max * tools. Brushless motor. The brushless motor in this angle grinder tool delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed motors, and it is designed to provide maximum power and performance. Paddle switch. The paddle switch on the DEWALT 20V Max * angle grinder tool is designed to be easy to use, and it provides greater control over the tool. One-touch guard. The one-touch guard on this angle grinder tool allows for quick and easy adjustments without the need for tools. Ergonomic design. The ergonomic design of this angle grinder tool includes a comfortable grip and a lightweight construction, which makes it easy to use for extended periods of time. Number 2. The Porter Cable Angle Grinder Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that is designed for cutting, grinding and finishing tasks in metalworking, construction, and automotive industries. It features a 4-1/2-inch disc size and a 7.5 amp motor, providing a maximum output power of 1000 watts and a no-load speed of 11,000 RPM. The grinder has a slim body design and a low-profile gear case, allowing for better control and access to tight spaces. The PC750AG grinder has a spindle lock system for easy and quick disc changes and a side handle for improved comfort and stability during operation. The grinder is made with durable materials and features a cast metal gear case for increased durability and long life. The gray and black design adds a sleek and modern look to the tool. Number 3. The Bosch GWS18V10N18V brushless angle grinder with slide switch is a powerful and versatile tool designed for cutting, grinding, and sanding tasks. Here are some features and specifications of this bare tool. Power. The grinder is powered by an 18V brushless motor, which delivers up to 10,000 RPM for efficient and fast grinding. Size. The grinder can accommodate 4-1/2 to 5-inch diameter discs, which allows you to work on a variety of materials and applications. Slide switch. The slide switch allows you to easily turn on and off the tool, as well as adjust the speed and control the operation. Durability. The grinder is designed with a durable and compact motor housing, which protects the tool from dust and debris, and allows you to work in tight spaces. Convenience. The tool is designed with a side handle, which provides a comfortable and secure grip during operation, and reduces operator fatigue. Compatibility. The tool is part of the Bosch 18V system, which means it is compatible with all Bosch 18V batteries and chargers, allowing you to use it with other Bosch power tools. Number 4. The Hikika Angle Grinder is a powerful grinding tool with a 4-1/2-inch grinding wheel and a maximum speed of 10,000 RPM. It comes equipped with 2 wheel guards and 5 grinding discs, making it ideal for metal, tile cutting, and grinding applications. With a 7.5A power output, the Hikika angle grinder is capable of handling even the toughest grinding jobs with ease. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and operate, while its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. The 2 included wheel guards provide added safety by preventing debris from flying back towards the user during operation. The 5 included grinding discs are versatile and can be used for a variety of grinding and cutting tasks, making this tool a great addition to any toolbox. Number 5. The tool has a 7.5 amp motor that can rotate at up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, RPM. The grinder is designed to use 4-1/2 cutting wheels and flap discs for cutting and polishing tasks. This particular angle grinder features a brushless motor that helps to extend the tool's lifespan and improve its performance. Additionally, it comes with a 6.0 lithium-ion battery that provides long-lasting power and a charger to keep the battery charged and ready for use. With its cutting wheels and flap discs, this angle grinder is versatile and suitable for a variety of tasks, including cutting and polishing metal, tile, concrete, and other materials. However, it's important to always use caution and follow safety guidelines when using power tools. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.